Hey there fellow creators, I'm excited to share with you my experience with the GoPro Hero 11 Black action camera and its incredible image stabilization feature. When shooting outdoors with the linear 19 to 39mm lens mode, this camera is capable of compensating for handheld shake and producing incredibly smooth footage. Now, here's the catch. To achieve that super smooth level of stabilization, you have to move the camera really slow. It might take some practice and patience, but trust me, it's worth it. I spent weeks perfecting my slow movements and the results were stunning. And the best part, you don't need a bulky gimbal to achieve that smooth footage. The camera's image stabilization feature takes care of it all for you. Now let's take a look at some sample footage. You can observe the difference between slow and fast movements here. When the camera moves slowly enough, the stabilization algorithm kicks in and it produces incredibly smooth footage. However, when I intentionally move faster to demonstrate this feature, you can see a sudden difference in the level of stabilization. But wait, there's more. This feature allows you to capture smooth and stable footage no matter where you are or what are you doing. And with the elimination of a gimbal, you can focus on your creativity and storytelling without being weighted down by bulky equipment. This feature is not only incredibly useful, but it also makes the process of video capturing much more versatile, creative and simple. You can shoot in unpredictable environments, such as in the rain, snow, sandy and dusty environments and even underwater without the need for a gimbal. Plus you can start shooting right away without having to strap up the camera in a gimbal and sync it every time. As a fellow creator, I want to share my knowledge with you so that you can create the best content possible. If you're looking to take your footage to the next level, give the slow movement technique a try with your GoPro Hero 11 Black in the linear 19 to 39mm lens mode. Trust me, you won't regret it. Lastly, I apologize for not using ND filters to shoot the sample footage and that it is overexposed. I hope you can still see the benefits of using super slow movements with this amazing camera. So whether you are an inspiring filmmaker, a travel vlogger, or a sport enthusiast, the GoPro Hero 11 Black's image stabilization feature is a game changer that can take your footage to the next level. By taking the time to practice slow and deliberate movements, you can achieve stunningly smooth footage that will make your viewers feel like they are right there with you, experiencing the movement in real time. If you're finding this video useful, please leave a like on it, and also, if you don't want to miss any of my future uploads, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.